Here's how you can start selling infinite options bundles on your Shopify POS. So first go into your Simple Bundles and Kits app. Make sure you have the newest one installed. Once you've added your Simple Bundles and Kits app onto your POS, you'll notice that it's grayed out. The reason why it's grayed out is because first you have to add an infinite options bundle. So if we go into our products, in this example, we're adding our mix and match bundle built using infinite options. Then we'll see that it's been activated. We can click into the bundle and start selecting our options. And now we can go to checkout to see how this has been broken down. Here you can see all the options that I've selected, as well as all the individual products that are related to my selection.